welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to showcase your business reviews on Instagram as Reels using AI agent. So as the owner of a business, my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a 5-star review over here on my Google business profile, then automatically it should create a video for the same using Creator Meet. And after creating the video, it should generate a caption for that video through OpenAI. And after generating the caption, automatically that should be shared as a new reel on my Instagram account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Google business profile with my Creator Meet account, OpenAI account and my Instagram account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically turn customer reviews into engaging Instagram Reels using AI agent. This is a great way to boost your brand's trust, stay active on social media and attract more customers without doing all the work manually. Alright, so as you all know that as a business owner, I receive great reviews from happy customers, but most of the time they just stay on websites or in emails. I wanted a way to turn those positive reviews into engaging content to build trust and attract more customers. So by using an AI agent to automatically turn reviews into Instagram Reels, I can showcase real customer feedback in a creative and attention-grabbing format. This not only saves me time but also helps me stay active on Instagram and show social proof to new followers, making them more likely to trust my brand and buy from me. Alright, so here on my screen you can see my Instagram account and now here you can see my Google business profile. So now here my objective is as soon as I'm going to receive a new review over here in my Google business profile, then automatically that review should be posted as a new reel on my Instagram account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Google business profile with my Creator Meet account, OpenAI account and Instagram account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as showcase your business reviews on Instagram as Reels using AI agent. And now after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard. And here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Business Profile as I'm receiving new reviews through Google Business Profile. And now here I'm going to select my trigger event as new review so that whenever I'm going to receive new review on my business profile, then automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response. And now here to connect my Google business profile with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Google business profile is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And then I'm going to click on this continue and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then he is asking me to enter the account name. So I'm going to select the account that I've already created with the name Parampara, and here for the location name I'm going to select Parampara again. And now here after selecting all the details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to post a new review over here on my Google business profile. So for that I'm going to search for my business profile from another account. So I'm going to search for the Parampara store, and then here I'm going to select that particular store, and then I'm going to post a new review over here. So here I'm going to write a review, and here I'm going to give 5-star to my rating, and then I'm going to enter the review as absolutely love the quality, the fabric feels premium and the fit is just perfect. Got so many compliments already, will definitely order again. Alright, so I've successfully added the review, and then I'm going to click on this post. And here you can see we have successfully posted a review over here. So let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow, and then I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the display name. Here you can see the rating as 5, and here you can see the comment, that means the review that we posted. So with this we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So here let me tell you that Google Business Profile is a pooling based application. That means it will capture the new responses within 1 hour. So here if you wish to set this trigger time, then you need to click on this 3 dots, and from here you need to select set trigger time, and then a dialog box going to appear in front of you. So from here you need to click on this drop down menu, and here you can see the minimum trigger time is 10 minutes and maximum is 24 hours. So I'm going to select the minimum trigger time, and then I'm going to click on the save, and with this we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So now here I want to post the reviews on my Instagram account as reels only for the 5-star ratings. So for that what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use a feature of Pabbly, that is filter by Pabbly, and here I'm going to select my action event as filter values, and then I'm going to click on this connect, and here you can see it is asking me to set up the condition where I need to select the label, filter type and the value. So here I'm going to select the label on which I want to oppose this particular filter. So I'm going to oppose the filter on rating. So here I'm going to select the filter type as equal to. You can select does not equal to, contains, and some other filter type as well. So I'm going to select equal to and the value as 5. So I want only the reviews containing star rating 5 should be posted on my Instagram account as a new reel. Alright, so for that I've added a condition over here. You can add multiple and conditions, and also you can add all conditions over here. So now I'm going to click on the save and send test request, and here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the status as success and the messages condition is true. That means we have successfully surpassed this filter condition. So now after adding the filter, what we are going to do is that we are going to create a new video over here using a video tool, that is Creator-Mate. So by using this particular tool we are going to generate a new Instagram reel through a template. So I've already used a template. So here you can see that I've already created a template over here with the name Instagram reel template, and here I'm going to use this particular template to create a new Instagram reel. So for that I'm going to add another action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Creator-Mate, and here I'm going to select my action event as create single render, and then I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection I'm going to select now new connection. If your Creator-Mate account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection is asking me to enter the token. So here following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my Creator-Mate account, and from here I'm going to click on the 3 dots, and from here I'm going to select project settings, and here you can see the API key, so I'm going to copy it. Moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the API token. Now after entering the API token, I'm going to click on the save, and here you can see we are now successfully connected. So now moving forward, and then it is asking me to select the template. So I've already shown you that I have my template with the name Instagram Reel template. So I'm going to select that template. Moving forward, and then here these fields are not required fields, so here I'm going to leave all of them blank. You can add the details as per your need, and then it is asking me for the modifications. So here I need to enter the modifications that I want to make in this template. So here to get this modification values, let me all take you back to my Creator-Mate account. So from here I'm going to select my template, and then I'm going to click on this use template, and from here I'm going to select API integration. So here you can see the curl request we have received over here. So here you can see the name format and the review over here. So I need to enter the name of my customer and the review. So for that what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use this particular key and value format to add some modification over here in this template. So I'm going to copy it. Moving back back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I've successfully added the modifications. So now here, instead of entering these values manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received with my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that when you're going to receive new response for a Google business profile, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the text, I'm going to map the customer name, and here for the review, I'm going to map the review received. Alright, so now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. Alright, and here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new video over here in our Create-O-Mate account. So now after creating a new video, what we are going to do is that we are going to post this video on our Instagram account as a new reel. So for that, I'm going to add another action step over here, and here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Instagram for Business. And here I'm going to select my action event as Create a Reel Video. And then I'm going to click on this Connect. And again here to build a new connection, I'm going to select Add New Connection. If your Instagram account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on Select Existing Connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this Connect with Instagram for Business. So here I'm going to select my desired account. And authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then it is asking me to select the Instagram account to use. So here you can see my account has already been selected over here. So moving forward, and then it is asking me for the video URL. So I'm going to map the video URL that I've received in my previous action step of Create-O-Mate. This is the URL, and then it is asking me to enter the caption. So here for the caption, what we are going to do is that we are going to generate the caption through an AI agent, that is OpenAI. So for that, I'm going to add another action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as OpenAI, and here I'm going to select my action event as ChatGPT, so that by using this particular model, OpenAI should generate a caption for me. And now here to connect my OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this Connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select Add New Connection. If your OpenAI account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on Select Existing Connection. And now here to build a new connection, is asking me to enter the API token. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my OpenAI account, and from here I'm going to access the API keys given in the left side bar. And here in the API keys, you can see some existing keys over here. So I'm going to generate a new key, and here I'm going to give the name as Reel. And then I'm going to select the project as default project, and then I'm going to create the secret key. So this is the API key generated, so I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the API token. Then I'm going to click on the save, and here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then it is asking me to select the AI model. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the AI models available over here. So in this particular case, I'm going to select the model as GPT-4o Mini. You can select the model as per your need. And then it is asking me to enter the prompt. So in this prompt field, I need to enter the relevant prompt that I want to give to AI to generate a proper caption for me. So let me add the relevant prompt. And here you can see I have successfully added a relevant prompt where I've added some instructions for the AI and the detail as customer review. So here I'm going to map the customer review over here. So this is the review received, and now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received a message content generated, where we have received the entire caption generated by OpenAI. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now let's move back to our Instagram action step, and here I'm going to map the caption generated by OpenAI. Moving forward, here these fields are not required fields, so I'm going to leave it blank. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new reel over here on our Instagram account. So now after creating the reel, we are going to post the reel. But here it takes some seconds to create the reel. So for that, what we are going to do is that we are going to add another action step over here. And here we are going to use the feature of Pabbly, that is delay by Pabbly. So here by using this particular action application, I'm going to delay my workflow for a minute so that my reel can be created completely. Alright, so now here I'm going to select my action event as add a time delay, and then I'm going to click on this connect, and then here's asking me how much delay you want to put in workflow. So I'm going to select delay for unit as minutes and the value as 1 because I want to delay the minute because here I want to delay the workflow for a minute, and then I'm going to click on the save and send test request, and here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully delayed this workflow for a minute. Alright, moving forward, then I'm going to post this reel created on my Instagram account. So again, I'm going to select my action application as Instagram for business, and here I'm going to select my action event as publish video or story, and then I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build this connection, I'm going to click on the select existing connection, because I've already connected my Instagram account with Pabbly Connect in my previous action step. So I've selected the existing connection, and then I'm going to click on this save. And now here I'm going to move forward. Here you can see the Instagram account to use has been selected, and here for the photo or video ID, I'm going to map the photo or video ID received in our previous action step. So this is the ID received, and then I'm going to click on the save and send test request, and here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully posted a new reel video on our Instagram account. So let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new post over here as a new video, and here you can see the entire video created over here for the review received over here on our Google business profile. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected trigger as Google business profile, and our action as filter by Pabbly, create to meet, OpenAI, Instagram for business, delay, and again Instagram for business. So that whenever a new review is received on a Google business profile, then automatically using filter by Pabbly, it is going to filter the review if it contains the 5-star rating or not, and after surpassing the filter, automatically it is going to create a new video over here for the review using create to meet, and after creating the video, automatically it is going to generate a caption for my Instagram reel through OpenAI, and after generating the caption, automatically it is going to create a reel video for the same, and after creating the reel video, it is going to delay the workflow for a minute so that our reel can be created completely, and after delaying the workflow, automatically it is going to post that reel on our Instagram account. Alright, so these were the steps to how to showcase your business reviews on Instagram as reels using AI agent. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.